Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're exploring a topic that might reveal some surprising insights: the effects of eating boiled eggs daily. You might think of eggs as a simple breakfast staple, but they pack a powerful punch in nutrition. Boiled eggs are delicious, incredibly versatile, and beneficial for your health. Let's start with the health benefits. Boiled eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein for muscle repair and growth. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B12, D, and selenium, crucial in maintaining energy levels and supporting your immune system. Plus, the healthy fats in eggs can help keep you full longer, making them a great addition to any weight management plan. But that's not all. Eating boiled eggs daily can lead to some surprising changes in your body. You might notice improved skin health due to the antioxidants in eggs, which can help combat signs of aging. Additionally, many people report enhanced brain function and better mood stability, thanks to the choline found in egg yolks. So, if you're curious about how incorporating boiled eggs into your daily routine can transform your health, stick around. We'll explore these benefits in detail and share tips on enjoying boiled eggs in various delicious ways. Get ready to discover the incredible impact of this humble food on your overall well-being. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Nutritional benefits of boiled eggs. Boiled eggs are often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse for good reason. Let's look closer at their impressive nutritional profile and the health benefits they offer. First and foremost, boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. Each large boiled egg contains about 6 grams of protein, essential for muscle building and repair. This makes them a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine or maintain muscle mass as they age. In addition to protein, boiled eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in vitamin B12, crucial for red blood cell formation and maintaining a healthy nervous system. You'll also find significant amounts of vitamin D supporting bone health and immune function. Other essential nutrients include selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, and riboflavin, which plays a vital role in energy production. Another noteworthy aspect of boiled eggs is their healthy fat content. While they contain cholesterol, the fats found in eggs are primarily unsaturated, which is beneficial for heart health. These healthy fats are also crucial for brain health, as they support cognitive function and may even help improve mood. In summary, incorporating boiled eggs into your diet can provide many nutritional benefits, from muscle support to brain health. Whether you enjoy them as a snack or as part of a meal, boiled eggs are a simple yet effective way to boost your overall nutrition. Impact on weight management. In weight management, boiled eggs can be a game changer. A critical factor that makes them so effective is their high satiety factor. Boiled eggs are packed with protein and healthy fats, which help you feel fuller for longer. This means that when you include boiled eggs in your meals or snacks, you're less likely to experience those pesky cravings that can lead to overeating. By keeping hunger at bay, boiled eggs can help you stick to your dietary goals more quickly. Moreover, the protein-rich content of boiled eggs plays a significant role in boosting metabolism. Protein has a higher thermic effect than fats and carbohydrates, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein-rich foods. This metabolic boost can be particularly beneficial for those looking to shed a few pounds or maintain weight. By incorporating boiled eggs into your diet, you're nourishing your body and giving your metabolism a little kick. Boiling eggs also makes portion control and meal planning easier. They are versatile and can be included in various meals, from salads to sandwiches, or as a standalone snack. Planning your meals around boiled eggs can help you manage portion sizes effectively, ensuring you get the right balance of nutrients without overindulging. In summary, boiled eggs can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Their ability to promote satiety, boost metabolism, and facilitate portion control makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight. Effects on skin and hair health. Boiled eggs are not just a nutritious food, they also offer remarkable skin and hair health benefits. One of the standout nutrients in boiled eggs is biotin, a B vitamin crucial in maintaining healthy skin. Biotin helps improve skin hydration and elasticity, leading to a more youthful appearance. Additionally, it supports the production of fatty acids that nourish the skin, helping to keep it smooth and radiant. Beyond biotin, boiled eggs are rich in other essential nutrients contributing to skin health. Vitamins A and E, found in egg yolks, are potent antioxidants that help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. These vitamins also promote cell regeneration, aiding healing and maintaining a vibrant complexion. The protein content in boiled eggs is particularly beneficial for hair health. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, vital for building keratin, the primary structural component of hair. Consuming protein-rich foods like boiled eggs can lead to more substantial, healthier hair and nails, reducing breakage and promoting growth. Moreover, the healthy fats in boiled eggs can improve overall hydration, not just for your skin, but also for your hair. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining elasticity and shine, making boiled eggs a great addition to your beauty regimen. In summary, incorporating boiled eggs into your diet can significantly improve skin and hair health thanks to their rich nutrient profile, which promotes hydration, elasticity, and strength. Daily consumption. What to expect? Suppose you're considering adding boiled eggs to your daily diet. In that case, you might be curious about the changes you can expect. Many individuals who have made this simple switch report various positive experiences. For instance, one person shared that after incorporating boiled eggs into their breakfast routine, they noticed a significant boost in energy levels throughout the day. Instead of the usual mid-morning slump, they felt more alert and focused, which helped them tackle tasks with greater efficiency. Another joint testimonial revolves around improved mental clarity. Many have found that combining protein and healthy fats in boiled eggs enhances concentration and cognitive function. This can be particularly beneficial for students or professionals who must stay sharp during long work or study hours. In addition to energy and focus, some individuals have reported digestive improvements after consuming boiled eggs daily. The protein and healthy fats promote a feeling of fullness, which helps regulate appetite and reduce unhealthy snacking. Furthermore, the nutrients in eggs can support gut health, leading to better digestion overall. Some people have even mentioned experiencing fewer bloating episodes and improved regularity. Daily consumption of boiled eggs can lead to noticeable changes in energy levels, mental clarity, and digestive health. Whether you want to enhance your focus at work or feel better throughout the day, incorporating boiled eggs into your diet might be your delicious and nutritious solution. Potential risks and considerations. While boiled eggs offer numerous health benefits, addressing some risks associated with consuming them daily is essential. One of the primary concerns is cholesterol. Boiled eggs are known to contain a significant amount of dietary cholesterol, with one large egg containing about 186 milligrams. Moderate egg consumption does not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for many people. However, individual responses can vary. Some individuals may experience increased cholesterol levels when consuming high amounts of dietary cholesterol, so it's essential to be mindful of your health status. Another important consideration is the need for a balanced diet. While boiled eggs are nutritious, relying solely on them can lead to nutrient imbalances. It's crucial to incorporate various foods into your diet, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, to ensure a well-rounded intake of vitamins and minerals. Moderation is vital. Enjoying boiled eggs as part of a diverse diet can help you reap their benefits without overdoing it. If you have specific health concerns, such as high cholesterol or heart disease, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and nutritional needs. In summary, while boiled eggs can be a healthy addition to your diet, it's essential to consider individual cholesterol responses, maintain a balanced diet, and seek professional guidance. This approach will help you enjoy the benefits of boiled eggs while minimizing potential risks. From their high-quality protein content, which supports muscle building, to essential vitamins and minerals that promote skin and hair health, these little powerhouses can significantly impact your overall well-being. Many individuals have reported increased energy levels, improved focus, and even better digestive health after incorporating boiled eggs into their meals. However, moderation is vital. While boiled eggs are nutritious, they should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. This holistic approach will help you maximize the benefits of boiled eggs while minimizing potential risks, particularly concerning cholesterol levels. We hope this video has inspired you to consider adding boiled eggs to your daily routine. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Please subscribe for more health tips and insights, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the advantages of boiled eggs. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll explore more ways to enhance your health and well-being